Finished product look of this 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum that we just finished here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. I want to show you exactly what we did to it. If you're chasing after this look, this thing is looking insane right now. Ford F-150 Platinum. If you have one of these and you want this look, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make it happen. So on this truck, we did the 2-inch leveling kit coilovers from Fox. Gives it a nice ride. Do not get the spacers if you have a truck, you're trying to level it, achieve this look. The spacers are very cheap. They're not going to last you. It's going to make the truck a rough ride. Get some loaded struts or some coilovers. It's going to give you a much better ride. For the wheels, we did these new fuel hypes in a 18-inch. These fuel hypes are brand new. They just came out from fuel. It's in the machined. This is a 18 by 8.5 with a plus 10 offset. Plus 10 offset means that it's not going to stick out too much. Minimal rubbing. This is how much it pokes out for the offset. In case you're chasing this look, this thing is a head turner, guys. It's got that nice Baja style. We took this thing from stock. This looks 10 times better than stock, guys. Took this thing from stock to clean. So 10-inch or 10 offset wheel. And this tire, this is a 35 1250 18 Toyo Open Country MT, one of the best looking MT tires in my opinion on the market. Definitely one of the best performing ones. These look very nice on these Fords. You know, if you have a Ford, Toyo is the way to go. Nitto also is good, but we went with the Toyo on this one. Wow, I just want to show you. Take a good look at it. Check out the stance. There was some rubbing. We had to trim a little bit, but nothing major. So if you're looking to upgrade your truck to a quality setup, quality stance like this, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories in Phoenix, Arizona. Expert install, quality products, quality service, expert recommendations here for your truck to make it ride and look exactly how you want it. So visit us here at Cosmos. We got you. Make your truck a beauty.